Well, I've been coming to Dr. Alani's for about two-ish years now, and I can honestly say her veneers have changed my life. Growing up, I got a weird disease, and the medicine for that disease totally ruined my teeth. The enamel turned to powder, and they were yellow, and it was horrible, and I always felt so insecure. I would not smile for years in photos because I couldn't feel comfortable with the way my teeth looked, and I was afraid people were staring. And then when I came in here, she knew instantly what to fix. She said, okay, no problem, we can do it. And she created painstakingly these absolutely gorgeous new teeth for me. The process was smooth. She was so kind. She worked with me, and we worked together tirelessly until we came up with something that was perfect. She, wasn't one of those dentists who said, okay, oh, it's good, or oh, they're just white, and here you go. She actually listened to what I said, or I said, oh, I didn't like them, or oh, they're too big, they're too small, etc. And she listened to every comment I made. She was so nice, so supportive. And now, as you can see, my teeth look really nice, and I feel totally comfortable smiling. In fact, people tell me stop smiling now because I love the way my teeth look. And with new teeth, you don't realize the new sense of confidence that you can have. Your teeth make or break sometimes the way you carry yourself. And because of her, I now have a new sense of self, a new sense of confidence, and I'm really thankful and I'm really happy.